Model, 2008 Nissan Navara Diesel Double Cab Pickup Aventura 2.5dCi 169 four-wheel drive body, black 4x4 mileage, 156,262 engine, 2,488 cc YD25, E4 transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine is 100% clutch needs replacing, gearbox looks all good. Quick clutch change and the van will be back in good working order. A very good spec for this Navara. Condition summary, bodywork is in good condition for the age, I would say slightly above average for the age of the vehicle. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, air-con, electric windows, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.